Alright, so I got a weapon R header for my 2010 Yaris. Open it up. Comes with a donut basket. Cool. Whoa, look at that. Ain't that pretty?
Do a side by side right there.
Those are huge.
Hold them both. Is that a crack? No, those are expansion joints.
That'll keep it from cracking. Is it in the shop?
Yep. Yeah. That one has the all-important O2 bung already installed.
Let's say 4, then goes to 2, and then goes to 1.
For exhaust scavenging.
That is nice. Wow. This was all rotted out, so might as well replace it with something that won't. That's nice. Did it come with a sticker for extra horsepower?
50 extra horsepower! So it is at 13.975 inches.
It's
or sorry, 1.39. 1.39. Changed a little when I pulled it out. And then, if you can see down in here,
Oh hey, it does come with stickers.
you can see that this is a lot smaller. And on top of that, these are super squished, and these are even smaller yet than the opening. You can actually, there's wiggle room. So if you squeeze this down, even smaller still. Just dang. Now let's do a comparison to these.
Stickers!
Just dang. Much better.
It's only $50 more than a stock Yaris manifold from Toyota. They wanted $250. That was $300. That'll outlast the car. Now to throw it on.